Hi, my name is Tom Eldar,
Hi, I'm Ryan Close.
and we are at Ryan House.
Yes, and it is November 15th and 6:21 p.m.
All right, so for the first question, the reason that there may be some bias is because the information gained from the AI can heavily influence the job recruiter.
We can look at Compass system from our reading 2 weeks ago as an example. The results of the program heavily influenced the judge. However, the data wasn't very accurate and it influenced the judges in a very negative way.
Right. So some things that led to this inaccuracy were the questions asked, as well as it didn't take the context of a person's background, which can also happen with this AI recruiter that our boss is expecting.
So, for number 2, we will discuss indirect and direct pointing. A solution for direct pointing is having a touch screen where customers can easily select what they want.
Right. And a solution for the kiosk with indirect pointing would be to have a visual sensor which followed your hands. For example, if there's a mouse on the screen, I can move my hand, which would move the mouse, and then select by clutching.
In this example, we will be using our model, and we're going to be explaining proximity and similarity. So for the first level, I will be explaining proximity, and it's that things, when they are close together, will be assumed as a group. So for this, A and B and C being the two different groups.
And for similarity, if we looked at the second level, we've organized this in a way where it takes in the numbers, which are similar. So for example, A1, B1, C1 would be in the same group, while B2, B3, B2, C2, and A2 would be in the same group.
And next, we will discuss the 3 cases where a blind man may need sensory assistance.
So one of them is when you need to cross the street. You click the button and it makes a noise. That way they know when they can cross the street or when they need to wait.
Another example is when you walk up to an intersection, there is a bumpy sidewalk guide on the street that informs blind people that they are going towards a street.
If someone that's blind wants to read, they can use the language braille, which helps them translate things just by touch. Oh. All right.
Yep.
Thank you.
Have a good night.